And the latest coming in is quite an irony, as the masters of protests and dharnas themselves, the pioneers, in fact, of dharna politics, seem to be spooked by dharnas. And yes, we are talking about Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. The sub-divisional magistrate has passed an order banning protests outside Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal's house. Public meetings, banners, placards, shouting of slogans, making speeches, all of this has been banned, and their reason for doing so is to prevent a public nuisance. Going across to my colleague Pooja Shali now. Pooja, you have been covering the Aam Aadmi Party from the time when they were just a movement, when it was India against corruption, then turned into a political party, and their entire brand of politics was nothing but protests, nothing but placards and dharnas. How are they trying to explain this? Because it's essentially going against the only thing that they've ever adopted as a modus operandi.
Well, definitely this order has created much criticism. I have a copy of that two-page letter from the sub-divisional magistrate's office. It's a two-page letter which states that no procession, demonstrations will be allowed. These pressure groups may be confiscatory and obstructionist in nature. The reasons cited are security reasons, that there are festivals, there is Independence Day security reasons. Now, to put things in perspective, yes, during the Independence Day 15th August or 26th January, 3 to 4 days here and there, Section 144 does get imposed and demonstrations are not allowed. But why a whole month? It is very clear from this letter that from 2nd August to 30th August, there will be no protest allowed outside the Chief Minister's residence. Now, maybe it would have been done in the past as well, but we're talking about a Chief Minister who's become a leader by demonstrating, by holding spontaneous protests. And in fact, just to add here, a very strong comment has come from the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Najib Jung. When I very categorically asked him what are his views on SDM's order of no protests outside Kejriwal's residence, he immediately retorted and said, this order is illegal. We will pull up the officer. The only designated officer to give out such orders are the Joint Commissioner, the DCP of police, and there is no Section 144. And then how can perhaps the SDM or the court of the magisterial court can pass such an order? So it's very likely that the Lieutenant Governor is going to take further action on this. The officer may be asked to withdraw this order. But why this has created much criticism is, it is not that there is Section 144 outside the Chief Minister's residence. While no demonstrations or protests will be allowed, people can come and throng the residence if they wish to meet him, if they wish to give greetings over festivals. So in that ways, there will be a crowd that will be permitted only if it is willing to meet the Chief Minister and not a voice of dissent. Well, so it has raised much criticism, but clearly I've spoken to Delhi government.
Yes.